When it comes to gift giving, I am not the best with wrapping paper. Next time, I'll be using these super simple, reusable fabric gift bags. Ready to make some? Grab your stash and let's get to it. For this project, you will need fabric, matching thread, a safety pin, a yardstick, scissors or a rotary cutter and mat, a fabric marker, ribbon, and an iron. Cut a piece of fabric that's 14 by 11 inches. Take note of which way you'd like the pattern to go. The longer sides will be the top and bottom. Fold the top edge over 1/4 of an inch to the wrong side and press. Fold over another 2.5 inches and press again. Sew close to the original fold. Sew another line about 1 inch higher. This will become the channel for the ribbon. Fold in half with right sides facing together. Sew the side and bottom of the bag, leaving a gap for the ribbon channel. Carefully cut out the seam allowance at the channel. Turn right side out and poke out the corners. Use a safety pin to guide the ribbon through the channel. Once it's through, cut the ribbon to your desired length. That's it, the gift bag is complete. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have, and make sure to check out some of our other sewing and crafting tutorials.